Okay, new kitchen. Here's the some drawers. This is our pull-out shelf. Pull-out countertop. It's pretty huge. Comes out into the middle of the kitchen. It's like an island. We got the regular drawers. Soft close. Cabinets. Also soft close. Space where our microwave alarms go when they go. Our soon to be replaced stove. Bottom cabinets. Big sink. Upper cabinets. Glass has yet to be installed. This is our new pantry around the fridge with the pull-out shelves inside. I'm not so thrilled about this crown molding up here. I think that was a mistake, but I guess it's okay. That's the new kitchen.